Good ventilation is essential for a comfortable and healthy home, but many homeowners worry that opening windows can reduce security. Finding the right balance between airflow and safety is especially important in active neighborhoods. For homeowners in Washington, Awning Windows offer a smart solution by delivering reliable ventilation while maintaining strong security when opened or closed. A window design built for controlled airflow. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows fresh air to flow into the home while the window itself forms a protective overhang. Even when partially open, awning windows help direct airflow inward rather than letting it escape. In Washington homes, this controlled ventilation allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air without fully exposing interior spaces. Ventilation during light weather changes because of their design. Awning windows can remain open during light rain without allowing water to enter the home. This means ventilation doesn't have to stop when the weather shifts unexpectedly. For Washington homeowners, this flexibility supports better airflow throughout the day while maintaining indoor comfort. Security advantages of awning windows. Security is a major consideration when choosing windows. Awning windows offer built-in security benefits because they open outward and upward, making them difficult to access from the outside when partially open. In Washington homes, this design helps deter unauthorized entry while still allowing ventilation. Strong locks and hardware enhance protection. Modern awning windows are equipped with durable locking systems that secure the window tightly when closed. Even when slightly open, the opening angle limits access. For Washington homeowners, these features provide peace of mind without sacrificing ventilation. Tight seals when closed block intrusions. When awning windows are closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a tight seal. This not only improves energy efficiency but also enhances security by eliminating gaps. In Washington homes, tight seals help protect against forced entry and reduce vulnerability. Ideal placement for ventilation and safety. Awning windows are often installed higher on walls or in areas such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. These locations benefit from ventilation while maintaining privacy and security. For Washington homeowners, strategic placement of awning windows supports airflow without exposing easily accessible entry points. Reducing dependence on mechanical ventilation by providing consistent natural airflow, awning windows help reduce reliance on fans or ventilation systems. This contributes to improved indoor air quality and energy efficiency. In Washington homes, natural ventilation supports healthier living spaces while maintaining security. Professional installation maximizes benefits. To achieve optimal ventilation and security, awning windows must be installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper alignment, secure fastening, and reliable locking performance. For Washington homeowners, expert installation ensures awning windows perform as intended. Everyday comfort without added risk. Awning windows allow homeowners to enjoy fresh air throughout the day without constantly worrying about safety. Their thoughtful design makes it easier to ventilate rooms while keeping the home protected. In Washington neighborhoods, this balance is especially valuable for everyday living. A secure and ventilated home in Washington. Awning windows offer a unique combination of ventilation and security. Their top-hinged design, durable hardware, and tight seals allow homeowners to enjoy fresh air without added risk. For Washington homeowners seeking a practical window solution that supports comfort, safety, and peace of mind, awning windows are a smart and reliable choice.